Hi guys, another episode looking at this broken helicopter I've been given. This section here, bracket, whatever it's called, is broken. Top end's broken off that side, bottom end's broken off this side. That would be, probably that bit should go there. And there should be a similar one for that one to sit on top there. The top bracket is actually these two pieces, which should clip together. I say clip together, they should go together and then screw together. And they're broken, you can see you've got gaps there. Let's just move that out of the way. Now, I've started looking online to see if I can source replacement parts. AliExpress being the most likely place, but it's also very difficult to search on there. And at the same time, I thought, well, we'll have a look what we could do with 3D printing. So these two pieces are my first attempt at printing replacements for these. As you can see, I'm going a little bit bigger because I don't trust PLA to be strong enough to do the job. Yeah, that's actually that way up. So we're part way there. I expect I'll have to go through quite a few different versions before we get anywhere near what we want. But that should enable us to see, yeah, that's supposed to go together like that. We'll need a bit of trimming. That piece. Let's just see how that looks for going on there. That might go on there with a little bit of trimming, because I haven't cleaned that up at all yet. Yeah, that feels like that will go through, yeah. So that bit's okay. And then that's, oh, I've got to get all the fill out there and the gap there. So I probably shouldn't have pushed that on there yet. Yeah, there's a fair bit of stuff to trim out there, the infill or support layers. So yeah, so that's that bit. And then the blades, again, I've been searching on AliExpress and I can't find any that are exactly right. These are 155 millimeters long. And I can find some that are 150 millimeters long, but they have a 3.5 millimeter hole in the end. Now, bearing in mind I've got to reprint these anyway, or I'm trying to print these anyway. I could change the size of the hole there, so I could possibly use the ones with the 3.5 millimeter hole in them. These are about 2 millimeter. So the existing screws that go through there would be too small for 3.5 millimeter. But anyway, I thought I'd have a look at whether I could possibly print the blades. Again, I don't really trust PLA to do the job. In fact, that's That's a bit more flexible than I expected. I've got a bit of a airfoil shape to it. Not much, but a bit. Right, we're talking A, so we want A. I suppose we could just compare size-wise. Yeah, I've got more or less the right sort of size. Got nothing like the same pitch. Got to swing that down quite significantly. But I just thought I'd give it a try and see whether my printer will do that, because I am having trouble with the printer at the moment. It's absolutely refusing to print one of the designs I want to print at the moment. Keeps coming loose off the bed. I use Elmer's glue to try and stick it down. The bed itself's already coated with stuff that's supposed to hold it in place, and it's just not having it at the moment. It's printing other stuff okay, particularly if I have a, whatever they call that bit, raft to anchor it to the bed, but other stuff it's just coming loose. I'll sort it out eventually, but at the moment it's giving me trouble. So looking at that, we need significantly more pitch or curve to it. But as far as actually printing goes, that did print. And that's printed quite nicely. I would expect if this hits something it will shatter, but then again that one's shattered as well, isn't it? A bit overboard on the size of my A. Anyway, I'm rambling now. I'm just showing you what I've been up to and what really needs to be changed. So some progress. But I don't expect to get this done any time soon. Well, that's just wedged in place to give us a general idea. Let's see, I haven't put a screw in there. In fact, we're missing the screw to go in there. But yeah, that's how it should go together. So I think it's not impossible that I could actually 3D print this to a point where it may actually work for long enough to see whether we can actually get it off the ground. Yeah. Close. Actually, they're the wrong blades. It should be the A blades on the top there. So yeah, they should clip together, or screw together, but they clip at the moment because they're broken. Something like that. That'll do. Just a quick update before I finish editing the video. I've just printed another rotor blade, modified it to be closer to the original. If you study it, it's a bit sort of ridged. It's not obviously not going to be as smooth as the original. but that's much closer in pitch to the original. That's the original, obviously. That's my new printed version. Got a bit rough at the end there. So yeah, coming on. I still don't think these are going to be very robust or even safe for that matter. They could easily shatter. But I'm not going to be selling these or giving them away to anybody. I'm just going to try it on and see if we can get it to rise off the ground eventually. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.